Let's be honest, we've spent years obsessing over skincare for our face, but what about the delicate area of our neck and our décolletage? These delicate areas are often the first to show the signs of aging, and yet we tend to neglect them until now. Today, I'm diving into something truly special, something a little bit revolutionary. It is the upgraded CurrentBody LED Mask Mark II. This has been created for the neck and the deck. This is not just another beauty gadget, it's clinically backed technology that's helping thousands of women firm, lift and brighten and tighten their skin all at home. Let's face it, our collagen dips, elastin slows down and skin starts to thin, especially around the neck and the chest area. This device uses red and near infrared technology. LED lights that can penetrate up to 10 millimeters into the skin. Now that's deeper than most retinols. That means it works beneath the surface, stimulating your own collagen, improving elasticity and restoring that smoother, brighter texture that we all know and loved. So what makes this Series 2 so special? Well, this one has 229 LED lights compared to the original that had 50. The Series 2 device is made from liquid silicone, so it's beautifully more flexible, feels gorgeous on the skin, and has approximately 24% more surface area, ensuring better coverage. The Series 2 also introduces this third LED wavelength, deep near infrared. Now that is at 1072 nanometers, alongside the regular 633 and near infrared, which is 830 nanometers. That is all about how deep the infrared penetrates, but also the wavelengths that actually do something underneath the skin. The original Mark I just had two wavelengths of 633 and 830 nanometers. The result? The Series 2 provides advanced anti-aging technology designed for visible skin renewal. Yes, actual changes and differences that you'll see. When the light reaches the dermis, it activates our collagen producing cells, causing those cells to spring into life, because as we get older, they do start to decline. It takes just 10 minutes, it's fuss-free, it's easy, and best of all, there is no pain, there's no downtime, there's no heat, there's no irritation. Honestly, I wear mine when I'm checking my emails or just going about my day. Now, when I say zero fuss, I really mean it. It literally has a built-in power pack that has a belt clip. Couldn't be easier. You switch it on, and once it's on, it's going to stay on for 10 minutes. That is your treatment time. So you can go about and do your emails or do your housework, whatever you need to do. 10 minutes later, it will turn off, and you've had the full energy and the perfect anti-aging treatment at home. Now, I use it 3 to 4 times a week, probably a bit more if I'm honest. I love it, it feels nice, and here's what I noticed. I used it consistently for a month. My skin tone is more even. Now, you know, if you've been with me a while, this is my area of concern. I get asked about skin on the neck and the décolletage all the time because I talk about my skin. It's hypersensitive, I can't use retinol, and quite honestly, serums are great, but they don't really do anything. My redness has been reduced, pigmentation looks better, and texture, well, I think you'll agree, for a 56-year-old neck and chest, it's not looking too bad. I'm genuinely feeling more radiant. I feel so happy. This area has always been a tricky area for me. You know, creams and serums, they're lovely, but they don't go deep enough. They simply don't work. This gives your skin a reason to regenerate again. It actually activates those cells. So I get asked questions all the time, so let's dive in and answer a couple of your frequently asked questions. Is the red light therapy going to cause a burn? Does it get too hot? The answer is absolutely not. It causes no pain. It is very, very safe. There is no heat. Another question is it safe for your eyes? Absolutely yes. In fact, there has been some studies that show red light therapy at a certain frequency may support eye health. I will put a link for you below. The other question that I get asked is, Am I too old or am I too young to start using red light therapy? The answer is absolutely not. Whether you're in your 20s or your 70s, this helps improve your skin's function at every age. And the other question that I get asked all of the time is, when will I see results? Well, personally, as you know, if you've been with me a while, I like to try things out for a full 4 weeks before I ever put my name behind anything. So I would say you're going to see results with this within 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I definitely saw a bit of a glow, and I just felt that my skin tone was looking a bit more even, and you're going to see real changes by week 4. I absolutely love it. I cannot rave about it enough. At last, we have a dedicated skincare at-home device that is clinic-grade technology for this area. Now, it's not hype. This is science-backed technology that has been proven to work. And honestly, once you invest, it's going to pay for itself 1,000-fold, because why are you going to invest in multiple different treatments and creams that really do not penetrate deep enough to do anything for us? I do hope you enjoyed this video. I've got my link in the description box below. Remember, your neck and your chest deserve the same amount of love that you've given your face for so many years. I've chosen this video for you next. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.